At the beginning of a project, we may only have ordnance survey information and no topography to go on. This usually has no vegetation information with only some curbing lines, building outlines, and some street names. For example, on the screen, we can see a roundabout, but the only information is that we have a couple of footways, there seems to be an access directly onto the roundabout, and it's a 3-arms roundabout. Both AutoCAD and Civil 3D include some maps with the licenses that you can access from the Geolocation tab. It's linked to the Autodesk servers and you can toggle them on and off with different options like gray maps, road maps, or aerial imagery from both Esri and Bing. Selecting any of them will link them to your drawing, and they are dynamic, meaning they will update as you move and zoom. The one that I find the most interesting while designing is actually the satellite imagery. It adds information. Now we know we are in a semi-rural area, the access is to a field, the footway allows cyclists, and there are edges on both sides of the road. Changing to being aerial will give me different information since the pictures were taken at different moments in time. If you can't see the Geolocation tab or the map is showing at the wrong coordinates, type Map CS Assign. This allows you to assign coordinates for the drawing. If in the UK, type OSGB, Ordnance Surveys Great Britain, and use the 1936 British National Grid one. Make sure the one you're using is the one with the EPSG code 27700. To print this map into a frame, you will need to capture the area. The map is only on in model space. If I change to paper space, we can't see the map. You can turn it on here if you want, but it will not print. This is because it's dynamic, and we need to turn it into an image. You can do it from paper space by capturing only the viewport, but I prefer to do it from the model space so I can treat the image of the area as any other drawing object and assign a layer to it. Select the Capture Area command and choose your region. If I turn the map off, the section that I captured stays. And if you want to change the display to another map, you don't need to recapture the area. Just select the image, open Properties, and select what you want from the Map Type dropdown. Once it's an image, we can print it from the paper space.